Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Welcome to the channel if you're new. And welcome to this new video on dogs, alright? Your daily update. Yesterday we covered this. Hopefully you were warned enough about the crash we had. Or at least the crash. I mean, if you look at the price action, like yesterday, we were able to hold up relatively well. But what I said in the video is that, you know, when we're losing some momentum and if we... in general, if we give up some sort of a level right here at 0.14 or like 0.14.5 cents, which I'll refer to as 1400 and 1450, right? Just so you know, in terms of the price. If we break out, we can crash as well. I mean, I called the video Dogs Crash Warning because the warning signs were there. So we dropped down quite a bit yesterday morning, which was before I made the video, but we were at the top right here at like 1560, dropped down 23%. And it's a mix of several things, all right? Why we crashed and why we can also crash down lower, because that's the main question right now, right? The two main questions are, why did we crash? And second of all, can we crash down lower? Now, what we saw over the course of yesterday is, first of all, we just saw some major positions closed, all right? That was essentially the cause of the crash. Whoever it was, whether it was a whale, whether it was a market maker, they closed a ton of positions. And we lost a ton of momentum. So that was over the course of yesterday evening. That's when the main breakout occurred, like 1400. Once we broke down below that, we were bearish, and that's also why right now we are bearish, I would say. So that happened, but apart from that, fundamentally, I also still think a lot of people haven't been able to claim their dogs tokens yet. Which, let me know down in the comments, all right, if you haven't been able to claim your tokens, because the TON network right now is not doing great, which is quite bearish for the network, I would say. But let me know, because what that means is that if a lot of people haven't claimed their tokens yet, they will probably sell, all right? Or at least most of the people that claim their tokens will sell, which is some sort of a fundamental bearish pressure. Because technically, if we look at the price here, this was, like, you could see this as one big fake out, right? So we had momentum, but right now we're basically back in the same market structure as we were between 1400 and between 1150. That's the situation right now. So of course, if you look at the 15-minute time frame, you think, oh, we're bearish. But no, I actually think we're neutral here. I don't think we are necessarily bearish. We're also seeing a bit of a bid coming in right here. You can see positions are being opened and they're mostly positive. So that's good as well. So purely technically, it looks like we're going to be able to hold this, all right, and that we are going to be able to consolidate here. But if I'm not sure how many people still have to claim their tokens, because if a lot of people still have to claim their tokens, the crash here down to like 1050, 0.00105, that's also still a possibility if that's true. If that's not true, if most of the people have claimed their tokens, we look good enough to hold this level, consolidate here, and then again, the main level to watch is 1400 and 1450. Because we can, like for me, the main direction to trade dogs is still long, and not short. I think short with DWF being the market maker behind dogs is too risky. But for me, we are kind of, as a summary, we're back in this old consolidation. I will do nothing in the consolidation. If we break out, I will long. If we crash here and we get a bearish breakout, I will probably buy around 1,000 or 0.1 cents. Those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, of course. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.